all, good afternoon friends. We will see the quick look up about the market, what was happening in the morning, right? Since the market is extremely bullish in the morning, so actually not in the morning, it is at some consolidation zone somewhere around from 10:30 to 1:30, and then again the good breakout actually, then it is heading towards 35,700 mark. Okay. If you see that the price is open in between 23 to 61, and normally the price will be reversed at 1.61 levels. Since the software it is a contrarian trading software, it looks the opportunity to go sell. In terms of it will be buy the put options, okay, at the reversal points. Since I am not giving the approval in the sense I am not giving the permissions to the software to trade in the call in the sense. The direction basis. So the software looks the opportunity where the market will be reversed. That means the market buy the put options at the extremely reversal points. Okay. For example, this is the points the software which is enters by the put, and then you can see the mean revisions has been happened. That is the reason why the software which is closed with 9 points profit and then exit the trade. The same which is also happened here. So the two put options has been brought and then also squared off with the small profits. If I probably that I will do the modifications on Monday, the software will be works in the both the ways. Okay, and then you can see that this is the software which is analysis in 3 time frames, which is in 30 minutes and 15 minutes, and then this is extremely what do you call it? See the swings. The swings for we have to take three point swings. The 3 point swings which is comes here. Okay, that this is the third point for 12:45, and then you can see that the extremely good breakout. Probably I would I'm not just I went out actually. When I came here, the market was this place. Actually, that is the reason why I'm not traded in the call options. Or else I would have been manually traded. They brought the 2 call options. The call options which I marked as is 33,500 and 33,400 is in my watch list. Okay, so probably that Monday I will trade from both the way. Okay, you will see that how the trade is went. Okay, orders. See. Okay, first we will see the bridge. This is the bridge which will be automatically connected to the software, and then whatever the software signals comes, it will be executed to the bridge and to the trading platform. You can see that the last order which is given by the software is 12:43, and then that's all. Thereafter that the software which is not traded, and then see that the 4 buy which is came all in the put options. There is no call options here, and then you can also see that the same thing which has been executed in the P also, P and P. There is no CE. Probably that I will give the rights to the software to trade in both the way on Monday. Okay, and then you can see the what is the positions. That is something around 14,700. Probably the final size will be 11,700 will be the net profit. Overall the margins will be somewhere around 8 lakhs and 80,000 rupees. Okay, other 2 accounts which is also small profit. This 700 rupees. Another account is somewhere around 500 rupees. This is all the small accounts. This is the 50,000 rupees account. It's 2 lakhs accounts. Because couple of trades is not copied, it's because of the client wrongly entered in, because he or she should not be entered into the trading terminal during the market hours when the trading is controlled by. You can see that our things. That's all for the day actually. You can see the software again. The software second gives some reversal signal. We will see that whether the reversal is actually there. Yeah, it is the it's not no, it's not reversing. Most probably because of this resistance, the software which is saying the possible reversal is possible, and also this 1.62 which is also reached, and then a higher pressure area, high resistance area, it is also reversed. So most probably, and also this market is going to be closed. And most probably the rally which is since the morning, which is something around 1,000 points. So probably a reversal which is use small of 100 or 200 points, which is possible. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I will share probably later on about how this software which is exactly works, and then how to trade based on this. Okay, this is extremely good software in the sense the stop losses for this software which is very less. Normally this works 1:3. The couple of other patches has to be included. Probably that I will be add all those things on Monday. Probably after Monday the software will takes both the buy, I mean C and P together. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a safe trading.